Here we've got REALME C35, and let me show you how to block a number on this phone. So at first you need to open your phone dialer, then tap on More icon and click on Settings. Here you will notice Block Numbers area, smoothly click on it, and in this panel you can block all unknown colors if you want to by using the stop switcher, and from now on any unknown color, just none of them will be able to reach you. And obviously you can also add some number manually, just click on Add a Number, and here provide the number that you would like to block. Tap on Block, and that's it. To remove the blockade, just click on cross icon and select Unblock, then also click on the stop switcher. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.